Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss.
Anyone join not yet?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, I will start in 5 minutes. Was anyone absent from today's meeting?
Yes, Miss. Our marketing secretary Emily can be attending the meeting because she was participating in field marketing on a national scale to represent our company.
Alright, thank you Miss Nala. Any else?
No, Miss.
Okay, could I have your attention please? Thank you all for joining. Before we start our meeting today, shall we pray together by reading Basmalah? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Perhaps we can make a start. I'd like to welcome you all here today. My name is Surmelia and I'm the General Manager. This is Miss Nala,
Hello.
the Production Manager. This is Miss Vika,
Hello.
the Finance Manager. This is Miss Munawaroh,
Halo,
the Sales Manager. This is Miss Maulina, the Marketing Manager, and she'll also be presenting today. I'd like you to please join me in welcoming Mr. Norseto, our new product investor.
thank you for having me. I'm looking forward to the meeting.
I'd also like to introduce our new product designer. Please join me in welcoming Miss Rizka.
Thank you for having me, Miss. I'm looking forward to today's meeting.
Okay, today's meeting is about the development of the Aqua Affluence Plan. We'll talk about the cause of the decline in sales figures at Aqua Affluence Plan, and ways of improving sales in rural markets in areas for Aqua Life. The first item on the agenda is the sales report. The last meeting was held on December 15. Right, Ms. Vika, over to you.
Thank you, Miss. Good morning, everybody. First of all, let me thank you all for joining today. I'm Vika Rahmawati. I'm the manager of financial. I'm responsible for collecting, preparing, and interpreting reports, budgets, account commentaries, and financial statement. Managing accounting practice across the organization, producing long-term business plan, undertaking research into pricing, competitors, and factors affecting performance. Managing budgets, developing and managing financial statement models, and carrying out business modeling and risk assessment, as you can see on this screen. I'm going to tell about the sales report from the year 2015 to the year 2020. To start, I'll describe annual sales. After that, I'll consider material loss. Finally, I'll summarize my presentation. Please feel free to interrupt me if you have any question. I'll try to answer any of your questions after the presentation. First of all, I'll describe annual sales. As you can see, I have record sales report from the year 2015 to the year 2020. From the year 2015 to the year 2016, the decreased by 5%. From the year 2016 to the year 2017, from the year 2017 to the year 2018, experienced an increase in sales of 10% and 5%. The increase was quite high. Then from the year 2018 to the year 2019 and the year 2018 to the year 2020, there was quite a drastic decline of 20% and 5%, respectively. Well, I've told you about annual sales. Now we'll move on to material loss. This situation makes financial difficult to control and suffer losses. From the result of calculation, we experienced a loss of 2 billion, a loss that is so fantastic. I think this decline could be due to several reasons. That's all I have to say about material loss. In conclusion, sales decreased drastically in the years 2018, 2019, and 2020, and we suffered a loss of 2 billion. Thank you very much for your attention. Are there any questions? If you want to ask or you want to respond to my presentation, you can convey it in the discussion session that will be held after this. Thank you. I will return it to the care.
Thank you, Miss Vika. If there's nothing else we need to discuss, let's move on to agenda 2. We start by discussing the problem of this drop in sales. I'd like to get some ideas from you all. What's your opinion on this?
In my opinion, the problem with this declining sales in the emergence of various other mineral products that are competitors for our product.
I agree with you, Ms. Vika. In addition, other newly produced mineral water products have also entered the market by introducing their own uniqueness to strengthen themselves, so that our position is shifted. I think the price of our product is too expensive and the packaging materials are of poor quality, so customers are less interested in our product.
I'm sorry to contradict you, Miss Nala. I think the price for our product is right and in line with market prices.
Excuse me, I'm sorry, Miss Munawara. I didn't catch the clock. You repeated this.
I just saying the price for our product is right and in line with market prices. To the market price, that is, with the right price, the quality is also appropriate. If the quality is low, it must be cheap. But the quality of our product is up to standard. So the decline in sales is not a price problem.
Okay, in my opinion, the decline in sales of our product could be due to customers leaving our product or switching customer to other mineral water products. Therefore, we will innovate to make our product packaging more quality and reduce plastic waste.
I don't quite follow you. What exactly do you mean, Ms. Rizka?
Well, I mean, maybe customers are getting bored with our product because there is no change in any expert.
I see your point. However, I don't think so. If customers are loyal to our products, they will still like our product.
It's okay, but in reality, your customer were decreasing and sales were also decreasing.
In my opinion, looks like we will carry out an innovation plan by the sales and marketing departments to overcome the decline in sales and restore customer loyalty.
I agree with you, Miss Nala. The sales and marketing department has made plan for an innovation called AquaLife. Let's move on to agenda 3 is a presentation by Miss Maulina. She'll show the description of AquaLife. Miss Maulina, over to you.
Thank you, Miss. Good morning, everybody. First of all, let me thank you all for joining today. I am Maulina Nurul Auliana. I am the marketing manager. I am responsible for many diverse activities such as website management, social media management, copywriting and content management, data analytics, PR and corporate communication, collaborating with head office, managing the promotion and positioning of a brand, or the product and service that a company sells, and making marketing strategy. Please allow me to share screen. As you can see on the screen, I'm going to talk about planning for making AquaLife. The topic is very important for our business because of our decline in product sales. To start with, I will describe mineral water quality. Then I will mention the new packaging launch. After that, I will consider the quality of the new bottle for AquaLife. Then I will explain bottle making process. Finally, I will summarize my presentation. Please feel free to interrupt me if you have any questions. I will try to answer any of your questions after the presentation. I'd like to start with Aqua mineral water quality. Aqua presents quality mineral water in the mountain of Indonesia. Over 45 years, pure aqua straight from the source. Aqua is processed through three protection, namely 1. Water source protection, 2. Protection of natural mineral content, 3. Protection of sterile production process. That's all I have to say about aqua mineral water quality. Now, we'll move on to the new packaging launch. Aqua is committed to solving such a complex plastic waste problem. As a manifestation of this commitment, Aqua launched Aqua Life, an innovative bottle packaging made from 100% recycled and recyclable materials. The packaging has met the standards set by BPOM, Halal, SNI, and FCCC 2000. Well, I've told you about the new packaging launch. Let me turn to the quality of the new bottle. As an innovation of recycled bottle packaging, Aqua Life is made from used aqua plastic bottle and other brands that have been reprocessed. The bottle is sorted, cleaned, chopped, and then processed using high technology to become pellet material, or recycled polyethylene terephthalate or PET. We've looked at the quality of the new bottle. Next, about bottle making process. First of all, plastic bottles used by various brands are collected to send to Recycle Business Unit or RBU in collaboration with Aqua. Attributes that are not made of PET, such as bottle caps and label, are removed. After that, the PET bottle will be put into a chopping machine to become small plastic pieces. After that, it is taken to the Aqua Partner Plastic Recycling plant to be reshaped into rPET resin. After this, rPET resin is processed into a bottle raw material called perform. This perform is brought to the Aqua factory and processed into new bottles. PET is known to be able to save up to 75% carbon emissions compared to using new PET. PET can also help drive a circular economy. Plastic materials will be in the industrial scope and will not pollute the environment. After it can be processed while providing income to the recycling industry players. That's all I have to say about bottle making process. I'd like now to recap. So, to overcome the decline in sales figures, we launched a new packaging. We launched Aqua Life, an innovative bottle packaging made from 100% recycled and recyclable materials. And it's committed to solving the complex problem is plastic waste. With this commitment, Aqua Life is made from used aqua plastic bottle and other brands that have been reprocessed. May I thank you all for being such an attractive audience. Are there any questions? If you want to ask or you want to respond to my presentation, you can convey it in the discussion session that will be held after this. Thank you. I will return it to the chair.
Thank you, Ms. Maulina, for the presentation. Let's move on to agenda 4, is the discussion of the launch of Aqua Life. Ms. Maulina, I want to hear your opinion.
In my opinion, Aqua Life has advantage in terms of marketing. Our brand has won the attention of customers because of our old Aqua, so we can start a better and more efficient marketing strategy.
I don't quite follow you. What exactly do you mean?
Well, we can do a massive marketing strategy to introduce Aqua Life products, like doing advertisement on TV, newspaper, radio, social media, billboard, and others.
Good idea, Ms. Maulina. Effective way to attract customers' attention and increase sales.
So, are we going to increase the budget for marketing?
I agree with you, Ms. Vika. I think you will be a big advantage for our product because this is innovation with high quality. I'm very enthusiastic about investing in my nation. Is that innovation packaging was first carried out in Indonesia and will be superior to government. We will also appreciate Aqua Life with as an environmentally friendly packaging. You mean about the budget, Vika?
No, I don't mean the budget is ready and we're going to spend a lot this time. I think the budget is now.
Okay, good. I want to hear your opinion, Ms. Rizka.
Okay, in my opinion, this product design looks simple and elegant. We don't need to add a plastic layer to pass on the logo, because the Aqua Life logo is printed on the packaging.
Would you like to add anything, Smela?
In my opinion, Aqualife bottle will be easy to recycle. The packaging of this product is made from 100% recycled plastic and 100% recyclable. This innovation is the embodiment of the environmentally friendly Bijak Plastic movement. In addition, I think we also have to expand the market or make sales to areas that are difficult to get drinking water at market prices, so that sales can be comprehensive and maximum. I will handle the production.
I agree with you, Ms. Nala. We must scale the sales area of Aqualife, such a distribution of Aqualife product in district.
Good. Let's move on to agenda 5, discussing ways of sales in rural market areas. I'd like to get some ideas from you all. How do you feel about rural sales in your sales district? I suggest we go around the table first to get all of your input.
In my opinion, we have been focusing too much on urban customer and their needs. The way I see things, we need sales to our rural base by developing an advertising campaign to focus on our product.
I afraid I can agree with you. I think rural customers want to feel as important as our customer living in cities. I suggest we give our rural sales team more help with advantage of customer information reporting.
Excuse me, I didn't get that. Could you repeat that, please?
I just started that we need to give up rural sales team better customer information reporting.
I don't quite follow you. What exactly do you mean?
Well, we provide our city staff with database information on all our rangers. We should be providing the same sort of knowledge on our rural customer to your sales staff there.
Would you like to add anything, Ms. Mela?
I must admit I never knew about rural sales that way before. I have to agree with Mr. Nurseto.
In my opinion, the urban and rural places need a supply of clean drinking water. So, we are developing new methods to reach out to our rural customers.
What if we build an outlet where we showcase and sell our product Aqualife? Apart from building an outlet or stand, is also an introduction. It can also attract a reseller in the village center to do business.
I agree with you, Ms. Rista. We can use that method to develop the target market.
I'm sorry to contradict you, Ms. Munawaro, but if there are obstacles to developing the plan, for example, if a market champion you implement reveals that the majority of your customers, if you launch a new packaging, you may decide to launch a new packaging to your offerings after a few months. However, your analysis could reveal that very few of your customers use the new packaging you added.
Lack of marketing knowledge, skill, and experience were among the challenges of developing market orientation plans. We can deal with this by seeking additional education for key employees whereby hiring experienced skilled marketers. Skilled marketers can help develop solid plan and give direction to key employees and departments. For example, an experienced marketer might help customer service, sales, and technical support departments learn how to incorporate a company's overall market orientation plan.
Enough, Ms. Munawar. Before we close, let me just summarize the main point. To sum up, the decline in sales figures caused by deficiencies in Aqua product. To overcome the shortcoming, we will launch a product with packaging. As well as to expand the market, we will increase the sales area by increasing distributors, by building exhibition outlets to introduce product and attract reseller in the village center. Okay, it looks like we've covered the main item for the meeting today. Is there any other business? No? Great. I'd like to thank Mr. Nurseto for joining our meeting today. Thank you all for attending. Right, that's all for today's meeting. The meeting is closed. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Customer Service, Sales, and Technical Support Department learn how